Sometimes a faraway point of view is useful in just getting an overview of what it is that we're doing. Remember, we ascertained that there were 4 window bays here, 5 window bays here, 4 window bays, 4 window in the storefront glazing, right? But see, look at what's going on above. There's a very narrow 2 gang windows, 2 up that is, and then 3 up, 3 up, 3 up, 3 up. Those are identical. So these intervals from here to here appear to be equal, from here to here appear to be equal. And so when we look at our SketchUp model, that's what we want to create within that. So we determined that except for the narrow windows in this vertical part, all the other windows are 48 inches in width. At the same time, I have this other Revit model going on, so where I've essentially modeled these guys. So it's 48 by about almost 6 feet in height, and they're very regular intervals. Right, so the narrow window is a 36 by 72, or that's the theory that we propose there. So let's go to the SketchUp model and consider the element that is this that's going to be able to make us model all of this. So we need one window spaced evenly that fits in that bay. That's 3 up, that's 48 by 72. Let's go to the SketchUp model. And let me close out the group for the exterior walls. Without drawing onto that group, what would happen if I drew (6-foot, 4-foot window, rectangle? We call that the outline for the window. Move copy looks like about, let's try 6 feet, 3x. That's too many. How does that work? Doesn't work, doesn't fit. Let's move that there, and maybe 2 inches, 4 inches from that end. And let's move copy 5 feet, 2x. That looks like it could fit. It may not be the correct elevation. So those are the rectangles that could describe that window. And the space I have within between them is 1 foot. Is that right? 1 foot. It's 4 inches from that side. What is it here? 11 inches. So if we move it over 3 or 4 inches, just taking those. I'll move it that way 4 inches. Something like that could work. You need more height for the sill. Right. If I made that a group, it could be my window group, and I copy that every 12 feet vertically. feet 3x. So we're starting to see how we could distribute the windows. Now we could take that result and make all this a group, and then replicate that horizontally, right? This way, about 18 feet. X. So now what we're looking at is moving those groups. So if we believe that that system will work for us, it's a matter of spacing these guys, and centering them, if you will, in those bays. That implies that it fits more tightly in some bays than others. I'm dealing with it visually right now, but hey, we're trying to arrive at something that's going to approximate what we're looking at here. So our question is, change the view to perspective, looking at it from above here, same vantage point. Is it believable that this is that? We're getting fairly close to it. We have some resolution to accomplish vertically, but and then we need some narrow windows in this bay, but essentially that's what we're looking at from the facade.